It's basically going east to west directly, maybe a couple or so degrees oriented towards the south while going west. And do you see it on the map? No, you do not. Let's see. Switch over to the map view here. Are you up, buddy? And it's just now over the top of me. So it's not this one. It's not this one. It wasn't moving in that direction. It is literally not there. There is nothing. Once again. Go ahead and flip back to AR. There we go. It's just passing over the top of me. And as you can see, it's all they've been doing today, spraying everywhere. And once again, it is not there. There's a lot of planes popping up on screen that when you actually go to look for them, they're not there. Once again, here's the map. And trying to look up in the sky towards the sun before I actually put the camera there. Let's reduce that right this moment. You got a whole bunch of spraying. There's the bright sun. There's one being created right there. We're at 65 nautical miles. Gonna zoom out. Let's see. There's one on the radar. Flight radar. But where is it? See that? That is not what we were looking at. I mean, no, that's not in line with what I'm looking at. Back to AR. See, the computer's trying to compare it to what it's actually picking up on radar once again. But that is not it. Oh, now it's blurry, isn't it? Yeah. Every time, oh, not every time, that's a lie. A lot of times when I go try to do this, screen will go blurry, completely blurry, won't re-autofocus or anything. And as far as I can tell, when I open up the AR on this app, it doesn't autofocus. It's like it's set at infinity value, which would make sense. You're gonna point it towards the sky because you want to see the aircraft. But then just all of a sudden, for some reason, it just goes completely blurry. Where it's blurry far away, it's blurry close. Here's another one being made. Right there. That's looking almost directly northwest. Let's see, he's on the map. No, nothing. And it's not those. That's so far away, I would not be seeing the plane in the sky right there. That's far away. Nothing. My guesstimation would be at most this area right here where I'm tapping on the screen. But yeah, there it is. It's amazing. See, we're getting some flickering going on now. And see, Peter's trying to match it up, but it's not working. I'm watching the one on the radar. See how it's pointed the wrong direction and moving to the northeast? Watch one more time. See, that's what it's trying to tell me. That one is right there. And what was that? This one maybe? Yeah, not it. Pretty close, but I do not believe that's it. Do one more view around. This is all they've been doing, and they haven't been doing their normal, what I call protocol X, where, you know, 1 and then 2. They've been doing a star formation, as you can see right in the middle there. They've done that a whole bunch of times, unlike that one. That's X. But these are X, X, and then 1 through it. Which actually earlier was kind of the other way around. Like the 1 through it kind of went this way. Not that it matters, it's a star formation, but yeah. All this you're seeing in the sky, all that white, which amazingly you can actually see on camera today, is from the planes, or whatever the heck are up there. And of course, every time that they start doing this for one day, like I was paying attention, it was either yesterday or 2 days ago, sky was completely blue, no plane was spraying. But then, wake up this morning, get a weather alert on my phone. Advisory, winds coming from the southwest. May blow over objects, blah, blah, blah. And then, after that, even though it was in the sky, well, or I mean, you know, at least 80% blue sky, then all the planes start spraying. That's what I'm watching right now. And do you see that on the radar? Yeah, see, one tried to pop up there. AI, or the algorithm, whatever, is trying to say it's that one on the screen. But, and this is moving almost west, southwest. Once again, just like the other one. But let's go to the map. And let's see. It's not this one, because this plane I'm looking at in the sky is almost directly over me. And I mean, it's just letting out so much stuff. It's nothing else on the screen. And you know what? Here, let's go to the actual camera. Photo, if I remember right, was the better mode. 7 more. Brightness down a little. I don't know if that helps. I mean, I can see the shape of an aircraft, but if those are actual planes, actual aircraft out there, then there's about 50% of them in the sky that are not on the Flight Radar 24. Bird going sideways up there. Birds love the wind. Here's another one. I don't even got to look at the map. I mean, you saw the map. There was nothing. Okay, come on, we're going to get a focus. Let's zoom out. Yeah, I can't get a focus on that one. Drawing into a ton more right now. Yep, that one's going towards the sun now. Okay, I'm gonna stop there, but anyways, you get what they're doing today. Stars and X's. Oops, not what I meant to do. There's the X, right there. And there is the star. I mean, look at that. Move out of the way of the power pole, but I mean, look at that. That's purposeful. I imagine they do the X's and the stars so they can view it, monitor it from satellites. By satellites, I mean not little crap floating on a space ball area. Yep.